right, Samil? So we'll continue this topic. So financial control techniques. So I told you what are the different techniques. Okay, we have to control the finance. First is budget control. Okay, but first yesterday I think last Wednesday we had on this topic, that is financial control techniques. Okay, this financial control techniques is for controlling the finance in the industry or company, you can tell. Okay, so first is budget control. So I explained in the previous class. Okay, budget control. Second is return of investment, and third is break analysis. So break analysis is very very important. I have explained in the previous class. Okay, if you need, I will share don't the recorded video so that you can look into that. So these three are very, very important, okay, to control the finance in the industry, okay, or company or organization. Okay, to control this, the financial objective. So we should see first is budget, second is the return of investment, and third is the break-even analysis. So after this, okay, we can see this BTB financial target groups. What is this BTB? The BTB indicates balanced target book. So if you go for any company, this book will be there, balanced target book. Okay, in this balanced target book, this NPD and D cost. What is this NPD and D cost? Is a new product design and development cost. So what is the cost? Okay, we are using for developing a new design and going for development. So for this analysis, so how much cost is required? Okay, how much financial we want? Okay, to update the design as well as developing the product. So this is the initial cost. Be careful. That is NDP and D cost. That is new product design and development cost. Okay, then you can see the total ownership cost. So this indicates the total the cost, okay, which is invested by the owner. So that indicates your fixed cost and variable cost. So this will come under total ownership cost. Okay, that is your fixed cost. So how much is the, what you can say, what is the fixed cost? That is with respect to the machines. Okay, what are the machines he is buying for manufacturing the products, and what is the rent of the company. Okay, sorry, what is the rent of the land. So these are called as fixed cost. So this is called as the total cost which is invested by the owner. And when you come for this manufacturing and assembly, so this indicates, okay, after designing, after the NDP and D cost, we'll go for manufacturing the products and assembling. Okay, like if you go for the car, so first we'll manufacture in each department we'll manufacture each part. Okay, then we'll go for assembly. For both, how much we should invest the cost, and the end you can see at the end return on sales and investment. So after manufacturing the products, okay, after manufacturing the products, how much products you are selling, and how much investing, and how much you are getting back. So this is nothing but return on sales and investment. So how much you have invested for manufacturing the products, and how much sales has been happened, and how much return you are getting. So this is about a balance. It is called as balanced target book. Okay, the company will keep this book for all the references. So okay, they will store all the data. Okay, all the cost which the owner will be invested, and MPD and D cost, manufacturing and assembly cost, and return and sales. So returns on sales and investment. So this is called as balanced target book. So anyone has any doubt in this? So always you should know this. What I can say, this balanced target book. Okay, this is used for only to control the finance. Okay, to control the finance, or to know about how much we invested, how much we are getting back. So how much product has been sold in the market, and how much the company is getting the profit, or you can say the revenue. How much revenue does the company is getting for each month? Okay, for that purpose, we want this balanced target book. So anyone has anything to ask in this? Friends, can you hear me? Hello?
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Okay. So this is very important. If you go for any company, okay, this balanced target book will be there. That is called as BTB. If anyone asks about BTB, you should tell that is called as balanced target book. Okay, it is used for, okay, the balanced target book is used for documenting the all the cost which the company is investing, and finally we are seeing how much the company is investing the cost, okay, that is money or value, and how much they're getting back, okay, after once the sales has been happened in the sales has been happened in the market. So how much the company is getting back, okay, that is revenue. Or whether whether the company is under loss or whether the company is getting revenue. So this we can analyze by this balance target book. Okay, so this is very very important. Then can you tell me what is this? Anyone can you tell me what is this?
This is the thing, like just the elements under new product design and development, sir. Like first you need what do you say? First you need is like I think investment. No, I don't know which comes first, sir. Basically, you give a design, you need approval from your higher hands.
Yes.
So after that, then you manage the task, and based on that, you like.
Tell me, Sachin. Hello.
Sir, I think my voice was breaking, or either your
Okay.
voice was
Okay.
breaking.
No, no, no. I think some signal problem is there. Okay, okay. Tell me, Sachin.
Okay, sir. So, like basically, first thing is you make a new design, you gain approval from your higher people, the higher end peoples, and then after that you design the thing and you check the performance,
Yes.
and then based on that you like estimate the cost and value of the particular product, and then you get the investment like how much you need to manufacture. So based on that you ask for that much amount of investment, like based on the machine you require or based on the process you wanna use it.
Okay. Good, Sachin. Anyway, see here one thing you should know. This is called as concurrent. See, concurrent financial management. What is concurrent means? Can you tell me? I think you should
Simultaneously.
simultaneously. Okay, the simultaneously. Uh, uh, okay, so simultaneously we'll be looking into all the accepts. See, risk management is nothing but whenever you go for a new product development, always okay, the company will be under risk, right? If you go for a new product development or new product, okay, always the company will be under risk. So that's called as risk management. So the company should take the risk. The company should take the risk, okay, that is for developing a new product development. So always the company will be under risk because they'll be investing the cost for a new product development for all the phases. If you take from a new product from the design part to the manufacturing of a product, always the company will be under risk because uh, they'll be investing the money for all the process from starting to the designing of a new product to the manufacturing of the product, as well as testing, as well as implementation. Implementation means, okay, after producing the products, okay, they will be trying to do the advertisement. Okay, so for all the process, okay, the company will invest the money. So that's called risk management. So risk management is regarding to the money. So this figure indicates for cost or the money which the company is investing for new product development. Always you should know, okay, if a company is going to manufacture, or if the company is going for a new product, okay, new design, okay, then the company will be under risk. Okay, they'll be they'll be investing a lot of money or cost. So so that comes under risk management. After that, here, performance measurement. So once the designing part is finished, then manufacturing. After that, they should check the performance. So see, all this performance, cost and value management, investment appraisal. So all these things will be okay. So they'll be looking at a similar phase at the same time. Okay, they'll be looking into all these things. See, risk management, then performance measurement. So initially, they will manufacture around two to three products, and they will try to find the performance. Okay, regarding to the function of the product for the customers. The function is nothing but whatever the customer is asking, whatever is the customer need. Okay, so that should be satisfied in your product. So that is called as function. That is called functionality. So always the company should see the performance of the product. Okay. So performance as well as the cost and value management. So how much they're investing, okay, for the particular manufacturing for a product. What is the value of that? Then investment appraisal. So what they're investing for each process. For each process, okay, each step. So they'll be investing money. I told you from the design thinking phase to the development of a new product. For every phase, okay, they'll be investing the money. Okay, so this is very important. So all this will be simultaneously. Okay, they'll be looking. So the company will be looking into. Okay, how much I'm investing. See, the NPD and D indicates new product development. Sorry, new product design and development. So for this, all these four are very important. There is risk management, as I told you. Then performance measurement, cost and value management, and investment appraisal. So all these four, okay, the company will be looking at the same pace. So initially, they will go for designing part, then they will check the performance for one or two products. Okay, then they will try to, if the performance is good, or if the product is functioning with respect to the customer needs, then they will go for manufacturing of more products. Okay, so this is called as concurrent financial management in a new product development phase. Okay, this is called as concurrent financial management figure. So you should understand this. Okay, this is very, very important. So anyone has any doubts, you can ask me. Otherwise, I'll go for next. Next is the market entry decision. So this is very, very important. Okay. So always you should see how much cost. Okay, how much cost they are investing for the new product development. Okay. So this is very important, design and development. If you're working in a company, you should know about these two figures. Okay, that's BTB, financial target group. Okay, in this book or in this what you can say in this software, okay, they'll store everything. Okay, what is the company they're investing from the initial stage to final stage, as well as what is the what are is investing with respect to the machineries, raw materials. Okay, everything will come into picture there. Then what is the sales? Okay, what is the total investment cost? Okay, the company is putting for a new product development, and how much sales has been happened for that particular month, and how much they're getting the revenue. In this, okay, there's management, risk management. Okay, that is regarding to the for a new product design and development phase. Okay, always the company will be under risk because they don't know, okay, whether the product can get success in the market or not. Okay, that's very important. If they get success, they will get more revenue. Okay, if the product get fails, then the company will lose. Then the company will okay lost a huge amount or huge cost. So simultaneously or concurrently, the company should look whenever from the designing phase to manufacturing phase. Every time, okay, they should see. Okay, they should do this concurrent. Okay, that means they should check how much I'm investing, the cost for each phase. Okay, and what is the performance of the product, and what is the investment. Okay, what is the investment appraisal means how much I'm investing for this particular phase. Okay, for each stage, how much I'm investing. So this was concurrent for every stage. For every stage, they should look the risk, performance, how much cost, okay, and value does the product gains, as well as investment. Okay, so this four is very, very important. Can anyone tell what is this?
So just like yeah, above itself it says new product development process overview, sir. So first you
Yes.
see what are the customer requirements. Based on that, you prepare like a design, and for that you like get quotation like what things you require, like how much price the product might go.
Okay.
Then you see the detail of the project plan, and you then like verify with your higher ups. Then you develop the product. After approval, you like manufacture the product and like send it to the market.
Okay.
But each stage, like I think they like reconfirm with the customers.
Okay. So this figure is very important. Okay, you should understand this figure because this figure tells us from the initial stage to the final stage. Okay, so you can see stage zero. So stage zero indicates means evaluate requirements. So that indicates the customer needs. So we should see the customer needs. So that thing will be done by the design thinking team. I told you number of times. So requirements or the customer needs will be taken by the design thinkers will move to the customers and they will ask the customer needs. So what type of products they need, everything will be taken by the design thinking team. Then they will give all the inputs for the product manager, or you can say the product design engineer. Okay. Then to the managing director, sales director. Okay, so see this will be presented with the product manager, or you can say the product design engineer. Okay, so he will tell for the managing director. Okay, then you will get zero start. That is proceed with means quotation. So you should do the quotation. So how much number of products we should manufacture? Okay, then how much sales can happen for a month? So everything. Okay, the sales director should analyze, and he should give those inputs for the those inputs for developing a new product, new product development. So for going for new product development, the sales director, the managing director, okay, say in sales department, he should give the quotation. So how much product has been sold in the market. So how much we should manufacture. Okay, how much we should be how much product we should manufacture and we should give for the market. So everything the sales director should give the information for product manager. Then the product manager will go for the designing part. Means he will go for designing a new product. I mean development. Okay, you can see here gate one, submit quotation for customers. So after that, okay, after getting the information from the sales director, okay, then he will give the quotation. So this is the new product development phase. What I've done. So this is numbers. This is the numbers or quotation I'm giving for the customer. See in that. Okay, you will write the what material you will be using. Okay, what is the numbers? So what is the cost of each product? Everything you will mention. Okay, in gate one, and you will supply for the customers. Then the customer will give the order for the company. Okay, once the product manager gives the quotation for the customers. Okay, regarding to the how much number he will manufacture for that month, and what is the total, what is the cost. Okay, so everything you will give the customers. If customers are satisfied, then the customers will give the order for the company. Okay, then product manager, then it will go for a new product development executive. Okay, then accept customer order. So once the customer order is accepted, then project plan will come into picture. That is your planning. Okay, how I should complete the task. Okay, how I should complete the task. Okay, within the given time for 1 month. Okay, if in the quotation is there around 1,000 products. Okay, then how I should finish the 1,000 products for that month. Then then project leader will come into picture. Then NDP executive. Okay, that is indicates your your design product design engineer will come into here. Okay, NDP. Then associate product plan. Sorry, accept project plan. In gate 2, you can see gate 3. After that, you can go for stage 4 develop product. Then project leader. Then NDP executive. In gate 4, you can see convert to pre-production. So once everything is over, so see gate 3 to gate 4, from stage 3 to stage 4, you should see. Okay, it is converted from the design process to the manufacturing process, right? That is initial stage of the production. So this is very important. Okay, from gate 3 to gate 4, you can see. Okay, once the order is accepted, then planning, then executing according to the planning as a product design engineer. Okay, you will convert what you can say it's design. Okay, then you will give for the FEA team. FEA team will do the analysis. They will give back the results. Okay, then again, okay, if it is okay, then they will go for the pre-production. Once pre-production is over, you can see approved product. That is, they will do the testings. Once the product is okay, then they will go for then commit to mass production. Okay, then they will convert. Then they will go for producing 1,000 products. Okay, according to the needs of the customers or needs of the customers. Okay, then you can see approve manufacturing, approve manufacture. So after manufacturing the products, they will see the quality of the product. Okay, dimensions, everything will come into a picture. Quality, then quantity. Okay, everything they will check. Okay, the project leader will approve all these things. Then transfer from product development to the product support. Once the manufacturing is finished, okay, 1,000 products is finished within the given time. Then the 1,000 products will be supplied to the customers. Then product support. See, if there is any issue is there regarding to the product, okay, the customer will come back and they will see the product manager. Okay, this is the defects or if any defects are there in the product, okay, he will convey those information for the product manager. So anyone has any doubts in this? So this is a process, okay, which they will follow for a new product development phase. Okay, new product development process overview. So if you are going for new product development, so this is the process, okay, which they will follow in the company. Okay. Next, we'll go for the next slide. Market entry decision. Can anyone tell me what is this market entry decision? What is this market entry?
So is it like how you are coming up with a new product into the market, sir?
Okay, good.
Or like you
So,
need to do certain market analysis, like based on the sales of a certain product. If you're getting something similar, you need to have an estimation like in this much, like these companies sold these many products in this month. So based on that, you will set up a target and produce based on that, sir.
okay. So market entry decision is nothing but, okay, to enter into the market, not only within India, or it may be foreign countries. That is called as overseas. You can see here. Okay. When an organization has make a decision to enter an overseas market, so this is not regarding to what you can say whether it may within India or outside India. Okay, foreign. So you should make certain decision. Okay, so that is called as market entry decision. Whenever you are entering or whenever you are selling your product to the market, whether in India or outside, okay, you should take some certain decisions. Okay, so when I should supply the product to the market, okay, so how much is the cost? So how much may be I'll be taking, okay, to supply the products. So all these things will come in market entry decision. So always you should know, okay, when you're supplying your product, okay, to the overseas market or India, okay, or India, both foreign or India. So you should take some decision when I should supply my product to the market. So how much product I should supply, okay, within how much cost, whether I should vary the cost with respect to time or not. So everything will come into picture. So this is called as market entry decision. We can see as a definition tells when an organization has made a decision to enter in an overseas market. So this is regarding to the foreign countries. Okay, when you're supplying your product to the foreign countries, so there are a variety of options open to it. So these options vary with cost, risk, and the degrees of control which can be exercised over them. So if you want to supply to the overseas market, then what are the decisions you should take? Okay, so these things you will see in this topic. Okay, so the simplest form of entry strategy is exploring using either a direct or indirect method, such as agent. So who's an agent? Can anyone tell me?
So one who can gather information about a certain place and give it to you. So based on that, you can like find out that the product you're manufacturing is a need over there.
Okay. Okay, agent is nothing but, okay. Uh, see, you will manufacture the product, but agent will what you will do means, see, if you manufacture some X product, okay, if you want to sell in overseas or foreign countries, so he will look after that. Okay, he will purchase. It means he will take your product and he will give your product to the foreign countries. Okay, he will become agent means a center person. So you will be taking your product and you will be supplying to the foreign countries, so that you should give some percentage for him. Okay, like 2% or 3% of the total income. So that's called as is called as agent. Okay. So in case of, you can see here, in case of a farmer, okay, if you take farmer, see, counter trade should be there. What is counter trade? Can anyone tell me? What is counter trade? What is trade then? What is trade? See, trade is nothing but the action of buying and selling goods and services. So he said trade. So trade is nothing but, okay, you will buy the action of buying and selling goods and service. So see, if you assume farmer, okay, he will manufacture, okay, some X product. Okay, what he will do, the trade person, he will buy the products with him. He will buy those products and he'll supply for the company. Likewise, counter trade is nothing but for international trade. So if you want to supply the agriculture products for the other countries, what the a trade person will do, okay, he will buy the products from their agriculturist, then he will supply those products uh, for the foreign countries. So the farmers will not directly will sell the products for the for the foreign countries. Okay, they will sell the agriculture products for the traders. Then these traders will buy the products. Then they will sell the agricultural products for the foreign countries. So that's called as counter trade. See, counter trade indicates for international what you can say trade. Okay, international for supplying for foreign countries. From the farmers, the traders will buy the products. Then they will supply these products for for the foreign countries. But by this method, okay, the traders will get more profit. Okay, the farmers will get less profit, but the traders will get more profit. Okay, so this is about the counter trade. So trade indicates they will take the agriculture products from the farmers. They will give some amount. Okay, then they will buy the products. Then for selling for international, this after trading. Okay, this counter trade will come into picture. Counter trade means for supplying for international or foreign countries. Okay, this is about counter trade. In case of the later, so first they will buy with farmers, then they will supply the agriculture products for the foreign countries. Okay, so having decided on the form of export strategy, decisions have to make on specific channels. So if a company decides that I should sell my product in the in the foreign countries like Australia, whatever it may be. So if they decide, okay, to export their products to the foreign countries, okay, they should go with some strategy. Okay, I will, anyway in further slides, so you can see the strategies. Okay, many agriculture products of a raw or commodity nature use agents. See, some of the agriculture products, okay, they'll use the agents. Okay, so these agents, what they will do, okay, they can buy the, so agents, what they can do only, okay, they can take the products and they can supply to the required company. Okay, and they can gain some percentage. They can buy some percentage. Okay, they will fix some percentage. So if I sell like 100 products, so this is my percentage for each product. If product is 10 rupees, so I will take 1 rupee. So that's called agents. 1 rupee or 1.5 rupees I will take in each product. So distributors is nothing but, okay, they will buy the products and they will distribute, and once they buy the products, they will sell themselves. Okay, to the foreign countries. Okay, they will give the amount for the products. They will buy the products and then they will sell for the foreign countries. Okay, or involve government. So you can go to government also. So there will be three options. Okay, if you want to sell for foreign countries, yeah, like agriculture products, so you can go through agents, you can go through distributors, or you can go through governments. Okay, whereas proceeded materials, while not excluding this, rely more heavily on more sophisticated forms of access. So be careful if you are manufacturing some products. If you want to sell to the foreign countries, okay, these are three options. One is agent, distributors, or government. Okay, then market, then we can go see it. So these are the six important you should know. Okay, few of the consideration that leads to decision of market entry for a product is as follows. So these are the six, okay, main you should know. Okay, if you want to supply your, what you can say, if you want to supply your products to the foreign. Okay, so these are the six important things you should understand. What is licensing, students? Can anyone tell me what is licensing?
So is it like getting patents to, so like for your product, or like at a certain place for selling the product, sir?
Okay, one thing next. See, license indicates, okay, that is nothing but, okay, a license is an official permission or permit to do use or own something. That means, okay, agreement. Okay, it means you are doing agreement with respect to the both parties, so like agent as well as the farmer. Okay, so they will do the agreement for each individual product. X product, okay, I will give for this much amount. So for that, okay, they'll do agreement. So for 1,000 products, into what is the cost for one product. Okay, this is the cost like 5 rupees. So for 1,000 products, I'll give 5,000 rupees. So this called as agreement. Okay, they will do the agreement. So each party, okay, they should do the agreement. Then only they can sell the products. Okay, from one party to another party, or from one company to other company. Always you should know. Okay, you should do the agreement. Okay, without doing this agreement, okay, you cannot sell the products from one company to other company. So this is called as licensing. So this see, a license can be granted by a party to another party as an element of an agreement between those parties. So if you want to if you want to supply some the X product to the other company, okay, you should do the licensing. Okay, you should approve the cost, the material, which material you are using, so what is the quality, so everything. Okay, you should take uh, licensing from one company to other company. So when you're selling X company to other company, okay, licensing is required. That is called as the what the approval. Okay, approval from each companies. Okay, each party. Then greenfield projects. Can anyone tell me what is this greenfield? What is this greenfield? What is that greenfield, students? Can anyone know? Greenfield. See, greenfield. If you know, you can tell me. Otherwise, I will tell you. So greenfield. So greenfield is referred as undeveloped land, okay, in a city or rural area. So always, okay, if you want to start a company, okay, always you should start in a undeveloped land in the city or in rural area. Okay, so that's very very important. So if you take, okay, undeveloped land, undeveloped land in the city. So what is the use? Can anyone tell me? So what is the use? So if you want to go for a new factory or power plants or airports, okay, if you want to develop a new factories or power plants or airports, okay, you want to go for undeveloped land. Okay, so what is the reason? Can anyone tell me? Students, can you hear me? Hello.
Yes, sir, you're audible, sir.
Okay. Tell me what is the reason. So why you should go for undeveloped land, okay, in the city? Why you can go? Why you not? Why you can't go for developed land?
So the price, like if you're taking undeveloped land, you get it at a cheaper price. So the land you need from making or something over there.
Okay, that is first thing. Then
And second, I think like depending on the place, like if it's an underdeveloped country, you'll get labor for like less fee.
mhm.
You can make your product over there and sell at a higher margin outside.
Okay. Mhm. Okay, good Sachin. So see, always there will be advantages. Okay, if you go for if means if you go for if you want to open a factory or power plant or whatever it may be, your company. Okay, you should go for a region where there is undeveloped area or undeveloped land, because of you can get a land, or you can get the what you can say rent in lesser price. Okay, then you can get the manpower, okay, with less price. So these are the things, okay, it will be helpful for a company owner. So always, okay, if you want to if you want to go for a new project regarding to uh, the setting of new factories for manufacturing any products or power plants or airports, okay, they will go for a new area, okay, which is undeveloped, okay, because of these reasons. Okay, then the the franchising. What is this franchising? Can anyone tell me?
So either distributing a product under some trademark, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, that is definition. So, like if you go for a McDonald's or you can go for the Goli, so all these are called as franchising. So, what they will do, they will market their what you can say their trademark, okay, or brand name, okay, with some customers. So the customers will go and they will ask, okay, they will give some amount like 10 lakh or 20 lakh rupees to getting the franchisee. Means they will give this at 10 lakh rupees, they will get the franchise of Goli or McDonald's or whatever it may be. Okay, they will come to certain area, okay, and they will keep a new company there. So this is called franchising. Okay, this is the third point you should remember. That is called franchising. And fourth is a business alliance. What is this business alliance?
So is it like example like you have two similar company like electronic companies? So
Mm.
then alliance, like if one is out of some product, they give they sell the like they give the product for them to sell at like a lesser price. Like as if it costing like 20 rupees, they're giving at 18 rupees. So you make more profit and even their product is getting sold. So both side you're gaining profit.
Okay, good. So this is called as the business alliance. So it is, we should know, it is the agreement between businesses, usually motivated by cost reduction and improved service for the customers. So this is called as the business alliance. Always, okay, you should do the agreement between the businesses. So if whatever the Sachin told, okay, if there are two companies, okay, which they're manufacturing with the same products or different products, it may be, okay. So they should do the agreement between these two companies, and mainly they will do because of the cost reduction. Okay, they should reduce the cost regarding to the products, as well as they should improve the service for the customers. So to improve the service for the customers, the companies, okay, the company or the, you can say, the business, they will do the agreement. The companies, okay, the X company and Y company, they will try to do the agreement, okay, and they will try to reduce the cost to reduction, and they will try to improve the service. Okay, so next, so you can, okay, exactly. So then what is the joint venture?
So
What is
multiple
joint venture?
companies working together for achieving a same goal, sir.
Okay, good. Or two or more parties. Parties mean indicates the parties indicates, okay, the company or companies, you can say, okay, companies, two or more companies, okay, they will be trying to uh, 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 they will try to join each other, and they will be trying to what you can say, they will be trying to improve the quality of the products, so that, okay, the revenue, okay, will be generated more. So after generating the revenue, okay, they will distribute revenue. See, if three companies are combining each other, or three parties are combining each other, okay, they will divide the revenue by three. So that is called as the joint venture. So the maximum, see, if you go for company, they will do this, a joint venue. Okay, so like banks, in bank sectors also, you can see there will be joint venue. So joint venue is nothing but joining the companies. Okay, if they accept, the parties, if the owner accepts, okay, there are three companies will join, and they will manufacture the products, they will sell the products, okay, whatever they get the profit, that is revenue, they get the revenue, they will divide by that much number of parties. Then outsourcing, what is this outsourcing?
So outsourcing might be like if you're not able to meet up the demand of the customer, you can get it made by some other companies, and then you buy it from the, like then you take it from them and give it to the customers you want.
Okay, yes, it's good. So see, outsourcing is nothing but it is an agreement in which one company hires another company to be responsible for a planned or existing activity that is or could be done internally, and sometimes involve transfer, that is transforming employees and assets from one company to other company. So this is called outsourcing. So outsourcing is nothing but, so the company will do agreements. Okay, the company will do agreement with other company. Okay, the company will hire the other company. Okay, so the, like X company will hire the Y company. The Y company will be working for X company. So whatever the X company says, okay, the Y company will, if X company says, okay, you should complete the task, the Y company will complete the task within whatever the X company says. Like CEO, like X company CEO tells, complete this task, the Y company will complete that. So whenever the X company needs the manpower, okay, then the Y company can give the manpower for the Y company. So this is nothing but the outsourcing. Outsourcing is nothing but, the company will buy another company. They will give the amount, okay, for the CEO, or you can say the entrepreneur, the Y company entrepreneur. The X company entrepreneur will buy the Y company, and he will tell his needs. So whenever it is not possible to manufacture the products in X company, then the CEO will give he will outsource the production of the products in Y company. Okay, whenever the X company needs the extra manpower, okay, they will take from the Y company. So this is called as outsourcing. Okay, so if anyone has any doubt in this, they can ask me. So these are called as market entry decisions. So these are the things the company should look into. That is, one is licensing, greenfield project, then franchising, a business alliance, joint venture, and outsourcing. So these are the six important things. Okay, they should remember whenever okay, if you want to supply the products for the foreign countries. Okay, so these are the six important things. Okay, you should remember. So if it's not possible to manufacture the required products, then you should do outsource. Okay, if the company is able to do outsourcing, okay, they can buy the company and they can manufacture the required products in the Y company. Okay, then joint ventures or business alliance, franchising, then greenfield pro- projects, then licensing. So these are the six important things. Okay, should remember. Then we can go for launching and tracking of new products. What is launching of new products, students? What is launching of new products? Can anyone tell
So
me?
is it like releasing the new product into the market, sir?
Okay. So see, launching and tracking of new products means, so when you completed the products, manufacturing of the products, okay, in the company, okay, then you should launch, right? So what are the things you should know whenever you are launching a new products to the market? Okay, what are the things you should know? What are the tactics you should do, and what are the things you should follow the guidelines of the company? Okay, then you should launch. So simply you cannot say once you go for a new product development or new product, manufacturing a new product, simply you cannot supply or launch immediately. Okay, so you should do some tactics, so that only the lot of company will do. Okay, if you go for the Apple company or phone companies, okay, so immediately they will not supply the, or immediately they will not, once they manufacture or once they go for new product development, once they completed the products, immediately they will not launch the products. Okay, they will leave some videos, some photos of the phones. Okay, they will do some what you can say, some strategies, okay, to reach the customers. Once the customers knows about the products, okay, then only they will launch the product. Like if you go for the movies, okay, like KGF or whatever the new movies, okay, you can see first they will launch the initial video, right? They will put some initial songs. Okay, then they will do the marketing. That is, they will do different strategies. They will reach the customers. Okay, once the customer knows, okay, this movie is good, then only they will go for the movie theaters. So like that, similar way, whenever if you want to launch the products, okay, don't launch immediately. Once the manufacturing is finished about the product, don't launch immediately. Take your time. Okay, do the promotions of the products, reach the customers in different way. Okay, then only you should launch the product. So this is what you these are 10 important points. Okay, you should remember. Okay, when you want to launch a new product, okay, to the market, okay, you should follow these 10 important steps. Then only you should go for launching the product. Okay, this is what it says. Okay, launching indicates, see, new tactics are required to get the notice you deserve. So always you should remember, if you want to launch a new product, once the manufacturing is finished, don't launch immediately. Okay, do use some strategies. Okay, then reach the customers about the new product. Okay, regarding to, you can go for you can go for the promotion in the newspapers. Okay, different apps. Okay, then you can go for the radio, newspaper, whatever it may be. Okay, then you can release in YouTube about your product. Okay, what are the specifications? Okay, what is the about your product, everything. Okay, you can make a video and you can share in the YouTube or in Facebook or in so see, there are a lot of apps are there. Okay, now then Twitter is there, so whatever it may be. So use those technologies. Okay, to convey that, okay, you manufacture new product. Okay, then once the customer once the customer knows that, okay, this is a product like Apple. If you go for Apple, Samsung, okay, everyone will do in initial the strategies. Okay, how I can reach the customers. Once you reach the customers, or once the customer knows about your product, a new product, then immediately you launch your product. Then the product will be success. Okay, then the product will get success in the market. So this is about the launching. So here are some steps for successful launch in this. changeable item times. Okay, so first is start early. What is this start early, students? What is this start early? Anyone?
So is it like working on the project earlier, sir? And then making available like few products to only like those like they have like the person who is representing a company or something like that, like mass influencer who is very famous in social media. So he using the product of yours can like increase up your chances of your product being better. Like yeah, sales.
Okay. See, once you decide to manufacture the new product, okay, then you will know when I will manufacture, when I can complete my when I can complete the manufacturing of the products. Okay, then immediately you should decide. Okay, that is whether I should supply my product within 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, uh, 6 to 8 weeks. Okay, before the official launch time. So see, once you decide, okay, I am going for new product development. That is a car. If you assume a car, okay, you will tell for the customers. Okay, I will give on April or March, or it may be June of 2022. So 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 that is the time what you are given for the customers. But for launching, you should go beyond before 6 weeks. That means before 1.5 months. Okay, you should complete the manufacturing of the products, and you should launch your product. Okay, within that time, okay, you should reach the customers. Okay, you should start early. Okay, whatever you tell for the customers, okay, you give some date, but you should launch your product before that date. Okay, whatever before that date means before 1 month or 1.5 months. Okay, you should supply the product for the customer. So that's called start early. So if you start early, then you can earn more money or more profit. Okay, because that is a new product development. If the customers are satisfied with that product, okay, then immediately you can get more revenue. So that is called start early. Okay, so do not delay to supply. Do not delay, okay, to supply the products more. Okay, whatever the defined date to the customers. Okay, before that 1.5 months, okay, you should finish your products. You should manufacture the products, and you should do this marketing. Okay, mean whatever the promotions you want. Okay, you can do in different stages. Then you can supply the product within expected time. Okay, whatever you told for the customers. Okay, you should launch before 6 to 8 months. Then is make the product or service available to important influencer. What is this influencer? So influencer is nothing but,
Like someone a very famous person, sir. So him wearing your like him using your product will make a customer feel like even they need to buy this product.
yes, good. So make the product or service available to important the customers. So always you should know. Okay, we will go for a new product development for customer needs or customers. Okay, if the customers are satisfied, then immediately, okay, you can the profit, okay, of the company will be high. So always you should know. Okay, whatever the products you're manufacturing in the company, finally it will be used by the customers. So make the product or service available to important customers. So if the customers are asking, I want this product, okay, within this date, kindly complete the task and you should supply the product for the customers. If example, okay, I told you number of times. Okay, if the customer is asking, I want a bike, okay, which should move for around 1,000 kilometers, 1,000 kilometer per hour. So I don't know whether it is possible or not. 350, I think 500 cc bikes are there. So maximum you can go around 350. I think 150 or 200 kilometer per hour. So I'm telling you, okay, if the customer needs that bike, then so if you're manufacturing the bike, okay, supply. See, the main important is customers. So supply the product within the given time. Okay, you will tell for the customers, I will supply within April of 2022. So you should supply within the given time. One and a half months or 2 months back, you should supply the product. Okay. Then brief industry analysis. What is this? Means analyst. Brief industry analyst. What is this?
Don't know, sir.
See, this in the case brief industry analysis is nothing but, see, analyst is nothing but who will be doing the analysis about the customer needs. Okay, so before launching the product, before launching your product, okay, you should do this. So you should ask the means analyst to come your company, and you should ask, so what about product, okay, the customer is willing to buy. So the business analyst, the business industry analyst will be there. So what is his job is, okay, you will be doing the analyst, means you will be doing analysis that, so what about product does the customer is asking. So all these things, okay, you'll be you'll be looking into picture. So once the product is manufactured, okay, then they should ask this industry person or industry analyst to come to the company, and you should see, okay, whether this product is okay, whether this product, if they supply this product to the customers, whether the customers is they will be happy or not. So this is called as brief industry analyst. So analyst job is only to do the analysis of the customers. Okay, once he says, okay, this product will be success in the market, then only they will supply the product for the market. So this quarter for all the company they will do this. They will bring this analyst, they will bring the analyst for the company, and they will show the and they will show the manufactured products, and they will tell, okay, do the analysis and tell me the results. So the analyst will see all the information which they are given in the product, and finally he will tell whether this product will be success, or whether this product will be satisfied by the customers or not. Okay, this is about the third point. Okay, anyway, fourth point I will do in the next class. Okay, tomorrow I will start this fourth point, and I should finish this market launch and tracking of new products. Then we will go for implementing new product development. I think tomorrow I will finish this third module. Third module. Okay, so tomorrow I can finish this third module. Then I will give the notes of third module. Okay, I will add in the Google Classroom, and I will give and I will add the assignment also. Kindly complete this third module assignment. Okay, then we'll go for the fourth module. So anyone has any doubt in this in the students class, you can ask me. Any doubts, students?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, wait for 2 seconds. I will take the attendance. Okay, then you can leave the class.